Hello everyone. Welcome to your guide to the services offered by Apollo 24/7 on the Wellness Center. Now you can book doctor consultations, order medicines, diagnostic tests, and access medical history from your Microsoft Teams platform. Once you log into the Wellness Center, choose from over 10,000 doctors based on specialty, location, need, or by previous appointments. Book an appointment with a specialist or a general physician like so. Don't forget to redeem your coupons at the payment window. After payment confirmation, a notification comes up. You can add the appointment to the Teams calendar with a simple click. When it is time to meet the doctor, you will receive a notification, which you can click to be taken directly to the virtual consultation. You can also go to your consultation from the Appointments tab. Once you enter the virtual consultation room, provide your health-related details. The doctor will then join you via video call. Go ahead and speak to the doctor. After the consultation, the doctor may provide you with a prescription. With one click on the Order Medicines tab, you can place an order for home delivery of your medicines. You will be able to track the order by clicking on the notification. To order medicines separately, search for the item, add to the cart, and proceed to payment. Here too, you can claim your Circle membership benefits and avail discounts. You can track this order by clicking on the notification received. You can also cancel your order through the same window. Want to book a lab test? Now get one done from the comfort of your home. Once you have selected the type of test, add in your address and choose a slot that works for you. Proceed to payment and avail Circle membership benefits to save on your order. The Wellness Center can be accessed through the mobile app for a seamless multi-channel experience. You can also enroll your family members. So, go ahead and leverage the benefits of Apollo Circle memberships on doctor consultations, ordering medicines, and lab tests with Apollo 24/7.